Today we're going to copy a 10k a month YouTube channel, and it gets even more ridiculous than that. This channel we're going to copy only started literally a couple of weeks ago. So I'll show you how you can set this up yourself. We'll cover how simple it is, and realistically you can start this today. You don't need technical experience. You don't need to spend hours on this. As you will see, this is incredibly straightforward and simple. So let me take you back to this over here. So let's come over here and let's go over here. So this is over on Skool, okay? I'm in lots of different communities because I'm always researching about earning online. And I saw this post a couple of days ago in this community over here, and it says how she made 14 grand in her first 30 days on YouTube. Now, I don't take things at face value. I go ahead and do a bit of research. But you can see on here, there's this post about it, and it links out to the channel. And I'll show you it, okay? So this is the channel over on YouTube. I mean, look at that, 12 videos, nearly 40,000 subscribers in the cat niche. And then it shares the social blade revenue, okay? So channel revenue in the last 30 days. So when I saw this, I thought I'm going to do a little bit more research on it. And I did. And then I got to the point where I am now, which is what I'm going to share with you today. So this is the channel, okay? And all they're doing here is they're using AI. So we're going to take this as inspiration, and we're going to switch it from the cat niche over to the dog niche. Now I'm going to use, I'll show you what I'm going to use. I am going to use this tool over here. So let me come out of here. Let's come out of here. And I'm going to go to my Faceless Freedom community on Skool. And I'm going to use a GPT for this because it should. And I'm hoping this is going to work. I've not actually tested it, but I think we should be good. So let's come down here and let's go to YouTube. And let's go to this one over here. It's called Prompt Reel, okay? So access it here. And look, if you're not over in the community, I'll show you how you can access this as well, okay? So we're going to go over to ChatGPT into this piece of software called Prompt Reel that were created for our members. And how this works, as you can see, it delivers the best cinematic prompt reels for creative projects. And you can come up here and press any of these buttons, but we're going to start with a bit of background. So I'm going to say, I found this channel on YouTube doing very well. Doing very well. It's in the dog niche, but I want to take the concept and make it about cats. So, same title, just with a dog. I will upload an image for reference. Okay. I'm going to paste my image in there. So all I've done here is I've taken a screenshot of the channel and I'm going to upload it. And what this software will do is, you can see, look, tell it it's going to break it all down for me, okay? Title formula they use, the key elements of the thumbnails, and then it gives me the ideas. So 20 viral cat video title ideas based on this style. So that's great. That's great. A thumbnail, yeah, done. Why it works. Okay. So now it's asking me what I want. So I'm going to say, great. I want this about dogs and not cats. Oh, I've put dogs. Let's change it from this to dogs. I'm going to hit on enter. So now it's going to give me these, okay? And what I can do here now is I could take all of these and I could put these into a spreadsheet, because now I've got 20 video ideas in a few seconds, okay? It's going to give me the thumbnail and it's going to give me the ideas. So video. So yeah, it's giving me the formula, best dog breeds. It's brilliant, isn't it? I think we're going to agree. So if you want, I can also show you. So now I'm going to say, that's no thanks. Let's do a video script around, let's just say a minute. Let's start with a minute. Okay, so you can see here, it's given me everything. So it's given me the hook at the start of the video, part 1, part 2, part 3, and also the ending. So now I'm going to say, thanks. Oh, I'll put it up here. Thanks. Give me that in one clean format so I can copy and paste. And the thing is, once you've gone through this process, next time you come into here, it will all run straight for you. What's it doing on here? So now we've got our script on here ready to go. I'm going to say, can I please get it without the part 1, 2, etc. I just want to copy and paste. Copy and paste. So there we go. So it's going to give me this. Now all I'm doing here is, I'm going to take this like so, and I've got a script. Okay? Now with this, I could break it down into individual scenes. I could get prompts for different video generators, whether that's VO3 or other ones. For this, I'm going to use this software over here called Syllaby. I'll link it down below for you. You can check it out absolutely for free. So let's go to the home page and I'll show you how this looks on the inside, because I use this for pretty much all content creation nowadays. So we've got all these options on here. And you can see it's got VO3, Sora, Seed Dance, and many more in here. We've got faceless clips, and we've also got this. So I'm just going to come into this one over here. Turn text into engaging videos. Now, over on the left-hand side, you have got all of these different themes. There's absolutely loads. So you can click on view more and you can go through and have a look at them, okay? So if we go back over to the channel, we can see their images. They're sort of in like cartoon theme pictures. So let's go back over to Syllaby, okay? I'm going to find one of these templates that we can use. As you can see, there's loads and loads of these different ones. I've never used this one before. Let's go with this one. Let's go with watercolor. It'll show me an example on the screen of this. So that's quite similar to this sort of style over here. And I'm just playing around with it. I'm just using this as an example, okay? But as you can see, number of views is ridiculous. So let's come back over here. Now in here, we put our script. So I'm going to paste that, what ChatGPT give me, into there. What format do I want it in? Do I want it portrait or horizontal? So if I wanted it on, landscape. If I want it on landscape, we'll change it over here. So it'll now go into landscape. And then all I'm doing here is I'm just scrolling down. I've just got to fill this in and then we're done. It literally takes a few seconds. So you see on here, we've got subtitles on here. If you want them, great. If you want to change them, you can click on here, you can change them. You can change the color of the subtitles on here, the positioning of it, top, bottom, wherever. You've even got voiceover, so if you want to listen to it, you just simply click on play.
Hi there, I'm Archie.
You can also drop it down and you can choose between male, female, British, American, all of the different languages are in here as well. There's absolutely hundreds of them. You can search for them as well. And then you've also got loads more stuff down here, okay? I don't mess about with any of this. I like to do this sort of thing really quick, so I'm done. So let's give it a video title. So if I come back over here into ChatGPT, there's our title. Okay, I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna come back over here, and as you've seen here, all I am doing is copy and pasting. Okay, done, done. Scroll down, generate video, and that's it done. Straightforward and simple. Okay. So the video creation takes normally about a minute, okay? So whilst we are waiting for the video to be done, we're then going to go back over to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, based on the example image I uploaded earlier, can you create a thumbnail for this video? Hit on enter. And guess what? It's going to create the image for me. And I just love it. I mean, I'm a bit biased because obviously I created this myself, but we spent a lot of time creating this and filling in the back end of it to give us the best output with this. So overall, we should get a pretty decent thumbnail. And then also, we've got our next 20 videos all done here. And as you've seen, it is just a case of copy and paste. And it will tell us, obviously, why this works. So it'll use different angles of curiosity, relatability, pet owner psychology, emotional connection. Bloody brilliant. And then it gives us our thumbnails as well. So let's scroll down. Let's see if it's done. Look at that. What this means. This means love. I love that. So let's go back over here. Have a look at that. Very similar concept in there. Bloody brilliant. So we have got our thumbnail. And then I'm going to say, awesome. Please give me a description. Like so. And guess what? There we go. Here's a clean YouTube description you can copy and paste. And it should give me the hash. Yeah, look, it's given me the hashtags of as well. And then if you want, look, I can give you 10 high click-through rate titles for this video, best tags to help it rank, 3 viral thumbnail text ideas, okay, to increase clicks. Overall, I'm really happy with it. Let's go back over to Syllaby. And on the left-hand side, let's go down to, where's my video? Why is this small? It's normally big, this. What's going on? Faceless video, where's it gone? My videos and assets. So we'll see if it's done and I'll show you the actual video. Hopefully it should be done. There you go, look, it's done. So let's click on it. Now here as well, by the way, I could edit it, I can make any amendments to it that I like. I can change the scenes, I can add motion and lots more. And you just click on Open Studio. So all we're going to do here is we are literally going to click on. So here we go.
Ever wondered why your dog insists on sleeping right next to you every night? It might seem cute, but there's actually a deeper reason behind it. Dogs are pack animals. In the wild, sleeping close together means safety. When your dog curls up...
So I think we can agree. Absolutely awesome, isn't it? It's brilliant. So if you did want to make any edits, you can simply click on Edit Video, or if you're happy with it, you can just come up here and you can click on Download, and it will start downloading the process, start downloading the video for you. And then obviously we've got our thumbnail as well in here, very similar to this concept over here. I mean, look, this one here, and then this one. Ideal. So that is how you can create and literally clone any channel that you're using a mix of those two different softwares. As I have mentioned, if you're over in Faceless Freedom, Promptreel is in here with all of the other GPTs that we have built for you. If you're not in there and you just want to get Promptreel, I'll put a link to the Beacon store below and you can go and check it out. It's this one over here. So if you just scroll down right at the top under AI tools and resources, it is this one over here, Promptreel. And not only will it do everything I've shown you in here today, it will also give you JSON style clips as well. So in fact, I'll show you. So if I come in here and I say, great, please give me a short JSON prompt. And we'll say for a short style video. Hit on enter. It'll think about it for a second and then it'll give me a prompt in a JSON format. So here we go, look. And then with this, all I would do is I would copy the whole thing and I would take it over to my video editor. Sometimes the results using JSON are a lot better than text, but the option's there. So when you first come into the software, you can get it as a JSON like this, or you could just ask it for a prompt, and it'll even ask you, look, which video are you using? Are you using this platform? Are you using Runway or Pika? And it'll change the prompt and the JSON for you to get a better output. But that's it. So look, that is today's video. That's how you can essentially clone any YouTube channel. I was going to say on TikTok, any YouTube channel using these two different tools. Any questions, let me know.